I'm always very cautious with my top-of-the-line laptop. I make sure it's well protected when it leaves the house. That's why I made this super simple laptop sleeve to keep it safe from the elements. Ready to make your own? Grab your sewing kit and let's get to it. Start by measuring the length and width of your laptop. Add 1.5 to 2 inches to each for seam allowances and a little wiggle room. My measurements for the front panel are 11.5 by 19.5 inches. Cut one piece each of the main fabric, lining fabric, and batting. For the back panel, add 4 inches to the width to account for the flap. Cut one piece each of the main fabric, lining fabric, and batting. Also, cut a 3 to 4 inch strip out of both sides of the Velcro. Place the main and lining front panel pieces together with right sides facing and place the batting on top. Sew across one of the shorter ends with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Flip right side out so that the batting is in the middle and top stitch close to the fold. Center one side of the Velcro about 1.5 inches down from the top of the right side of the front panel. Sew around all 4 sides of the Velcro. The back panel flap can be left rectangular, but feel free to cut it into some kind of shape. For mine, I marked 3 inches in and 2 inches down from the corners, drew a line connecting the dots, and cut along the lines. This will create a wide tab after sewing. Place the back panel lining fabric right side up on the batting. Place the front panel on top, lining side down. Place the back panel main fabric on top with the right side facing down. Sew around the whole piece, leaving a 4 to 5 inch gap at the middle of the top. Trim the corners and any loose batting if needed, and turn right side out through the opening. Take the time to really poke out those corners well. Finally, top stitch the whole piece. It will likely be thick at the top of the front panel. You may have to crank the machine by hand to get it through those small sections. Center the other side of Velcro about 1.5 inches down from the top of the lining side of the back panel and sew all 4 sides. The laptop sleeve is complete. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave any comments or questions you may have, and we'll see you next time.